rice. So I'm going to make a corned beef. I'm going to wear a cap because my hair is not good anymore. Oh, look at this. This is the egg from last night. Dirty. Because I'm not using this three. I'm using only this one. Oh, it's just right good here. I still feel that it's cold here, but yeah. So basically, I have this potato, and I have this corned beef, onion, garlic. Yeah, that's the basic ingredients of this thing. And look outside. It's oh, look at that. There is one bird there. Loricat. Feeling cold. Yeah, the sun is gone again. Today we are going to cook this corned beef in 3 different ways. So we divide it into 3. Yeah. So I have some flour in here, leftover from, yeah, leftover. More, all. No, too much. Put some egg. Put some water. I put some salt, some pepper, then I'm gonna put some of this onion here. As you can see, it's already like this. And I'm going to put some of this already cooked potato in here. Half of that. And I'm going to put some of this corned beef in here. Oh, what is this? Look at this. We are going to put some of this corned beef here. Yeah. And then this leftover onion we put here. Some garlic here. And some garlic here. And then this one we just keep on mixing. So I think it's properly toasted already. We put this oh. Okay. I just let it cook. The rain is getting stronger and stronger like that. The good thing about potato is that it really absorbs the flavor of the main ingredients. Yeah, for the corned beef, so it really absorbs the flavor of the beef. That's why potato is versatile. Amazing. This is actually ready. So good, it feels like I'm in the Philippines. Okay, this is cooked. So the other half of this we're going to put here. Oh, this way, the other way. Because it's already done, we're going to take some of this, put here, and put some water. Yeah, this much of water, and then you adjust the seasoning by adding salt, pepper, and let it boil. And it's going to be a soup. It's like a soup. So this one is actually ready. This one is just needs to be boiled, and I'm cooking here the rice. We're going to transfer this into this pot because I'm going to use this to fry this one. Tastes really good. Yeah, this soup is really good. We usually do this to add in the rice. Yeah, because you know, to make the rice tasty and flavor and wet. Yeah, and this is also good as a sandwich. So if you have bread, you can put this in the bread like a sandwich, and it's really good. But I like it with rice. I don't know how it tastes because I already put salt, pepper, but I didn't taste because it's raw egg. So we're going to taste it when it's cooked. Oh, the rice is bubbling. Oh, cooked already, nice. Just warming. You're the only one I ever desire. All the lights down low make the world go. I don't know how to that is that. Okay, we put this. It's going to be like a corned beef fritters or potato fritter. It's going to be easy to cook because most of them are already cooked. Like the potato already cooked, corned beef is ready to eat. On the side, then you cook one more. This one I will cook it tomorrow or tonight. Really good. The soup, amazing. This one I don't know yet because I didn't taste it. Yeah, looks like this one is done, so we put it here. Put the other side, it's good looking. Whoa. Okay, now I'm ready for my meal. I have this rice. What is this? Corned beef fritters or potato fritters with corned beef, or I don't know. Yeah, and then I have this corned beef with the potato, and this one, a corned beef potato soup.